Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today I'm gonna teach you about question tags. First, let's see the definition of question tag. Question tag is a short phrase at the end of a sentence that changes it into a question and is often used to ask somebody to agree with you. If there is a negative word in the main sentence, then there should not be not in the question tag. And if the main sentence is positive, then the question tag should be negative with not. Now let's see few examples for question tags. Example number 1. You told the truth, didn't you? Example number 2. You haven't seen this film, have you? Friends, question mark plays a vital role in question tags concept. Rule 1. When the verb in the main sentence is in simple present tense, we form the question tag with do or does. Example, Jenny eats cheese, doesn't she? Rule 2. When the verb in the main sentence is in simple past tense, we form question tag with did. Example, the phone didn't ring. Did it? Rule 3. When the main sentence contains a word with negative meaning such as hardly, rarely, never, scarcely, the question tag needs to be positive. Example, we have never met, have we? Rule 4. Exceptional cases. Number 1. If the main sentence starts with the words I am, then the question tag must be aren't I? And if the main sentence starts with I am not, then the question tag must be am I? Example 1. I am next to you, aren't I? Example 2. I am not going to tell you, am I? Exceptional case number 2. If the main statement is a positive imperative sentence, then use won't in the question tag. Example, stop daydreaming, won't you? And if the main sentence is a negative imperative sentence, then use will in the question, although this helping verb is not present in the main sentence. Example, don't stop singing, will you? Exceptional case number 3. If the main sentence starts with let's or let us, use shall we in the question tag. Rule 5. If the main sentence starts with there, use there as a subject in the question tag. Example, there is no possibility. Is there? Rule number 6. We can use must and mustn't in the question tags, though tags with must and mustn't aren't very common. Example, the house must be worth millions, mustn't it? Rule numbers 7, 8 and 9 are for the indefinite subjects. Indefinite subjects are the pronouns that does not refer to any specific person or thing or amount. It is vague and not definite. Indefinite subjects include nobody, everybody, anybody, somebody, nothing, anything, something, everything, no one, someone, anyone and everyone. These indefinite subjects are treated as singular subjects. Rule number 7. If the main statement starts with nobody, then the question tag must be positive with they as subject. Example, nobody was present. Were they? If the main statement starts with anybody or somebody or everybody, the question tag must be negative with they as subject. Example, everybody is ready. Aren't they? Rule number 8. If the main statement starts with nothing, then the question tag should be positive with it as subject. Example, nothing has been told. Has it? If the main statement starts with anything or something or everything, then the question tag should be negative with it as subject. Example, something is happening, isn't it? Rule number 9. If the main statement starts with no one, then the question tag should be positive with they as subject. Example, no one is happy. Are they? If the main statement starts with anyone or someone or everyone, then the question tag should be negative with they as subject. Example, someone calls me. Don't they? Okay friends, we have reached the end of the video. Hope this video was very informative. See you soon with a new concept. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, ShareChat and Telegram. Thank you.